Hello everyone, I'm Yogesh Panchal. Today in Engineering Graphics and Design, we will discuss about computer aided drawing. Computer aided drawing means CAD. What is computer aided drawing? Computer aided drawing or drafting is a process of preparing a drawing of an object on the screen of computer. There are various types of drawings required in different fields of engineering and science. So in field of mechanical engineering, the drawing of machine components and layouts are prepared. In the field of civil engineering, plans and layouts of building are prepared. And in all other fields of engineering, use of computer is made for drawing and drafting. What are the benefits of computer aided drawing? It improved productivity in drafting, shorter preparation time for drawing, reduced manpower requirement, customer modifications in drawing are easier, low wastage in drawing, improved accuracy of drawing, better designs can be evolved. Now some limitations are also there for CAD. It required large amount of computer memory. The size of software packages is large. Skill and judgment are required to prepare the drawing and huge investment required. Now there are very useful CAD softwares are available. Among them, first is AutoCAD, ProE, Solid Edge, SolidWorks, CATIA, Fluent, Hypermesh, and Abacus. But out of this, AutoCAD package is suitable for accurate and perfect drawing of engineering designs. The drawing of machine parts, isometric views, and assembly drawings are possible in AutoCAD. This package is suitable for 2D and 3D drawings. So in AutoCAD, there are four areas on the screen: drawing area, command area, menu area, and toolboxes. So this represents drawing area, command area, menu area, and toolboxes. Here this black background is known as drawing area, in which we have to draw a number of drawings, lines, etc. The left and right vertical strip in which there are a number of icons. Left icons represents the draw commands and right icons represents the modified command. In this bottom part you can see the command area, okay, and here there is a menu area and remaining toolboxes are also there. So this is the screen of our AutoCAD in which we will study how to draw a drawing with using draw commands and modified commands. Draw commands or basic 2D commands of AutoCAD. So in this lecture, we will see draw commands in computer software. So these are the basic draw commands like point, line, construction line, polyline, rectangle, arc, circle, spline, ellipse, ellipse arc, point, hatch, gradient, region, table, and text. So now let us see how to use these all commands for drawing in AutoCAD software. Let us start.
Now, first of all, start your AutoCAD 2011. This is our home screen of AutoCAD 2011. This is my pointer. It is also called crosshair. This black screen is known as working screen, okay, or drawing area. Here bottom you can see command area. This is status bar. This is user coordinate system, which represents x and y value of this pointer. At top, this is known as application menu. Now you have to set from this 2D, 3D, 3D modeling, AutoCAD Classic. From this list, first of all, you have to select AutoCAD Classic. This is menu bar, other toolboxes. In today's lecture, we will concentrate on draw commands. So here in left side, you can see this vertical strip in which there are number of icons. These all icons of draw commands, and at right side you can see these all commands from modified commands. So first of all we have to set units of our measurements. So for that you can select that unit from this format menu, units. Now here our working units, default decimal, precision 0.0000. You can change from here whatever requirement is there. Here inch, but we want suppose millimeter, so you set millimeter. Here angle, decimal degree, gradient, radians, whatever you want. I want decimal degree. Precision 0.00. By default it takes angle in anti-clockwise, but if you change it from here also clockwise by clicking here and just OK. So whatever the value given is default in millimeter. Now here you can see this is our working area. So you can set your working area from left bottom corner to right upper corner by just pressing menu bar, drawing units. So the instruction in command specify lower left corner. So by default is 0 0. You can also enter 0 comma 0 and press enter. Now specify upper right corner. Suppose I want 1000 comma 1000 and just enter. Then press Z enter A. Now our coordinate system changes in millimeter. So if you move this cursor or pointer here, you can see the value of x and y coordinate. Now this is our working area. At presently we have not taken any commands from draw menu or from icons. So at presently my pointer is like cross in which centrally there is one square. But whenever we take any commands from icon, our crosshair will be like this. The square portion is hidden. But when we remove this command by pressing escape, then there is a square in cross. So you can identify if you have taken a command or removed. Draw commands can be selected from three ways. First of all, you just press on this icon. This is line command. Okay. Escape to remove. Now second option you can take from this menu bar and press draw. There are number of commands here, so you can select from here also. And third option, you have to just type on command area, type line and just press enter. To specify first point, so you can click here and specify next point where you want to extend your line. So our command is in running conditions, but we have to remove that command by right click and just enter or press escape. So this is our line. Here in status bar, if you highlight or press this option, this is ortho mode, and then when you draw the line, that line is always horizontal or vertical. Press escape to left the command, right click on OSNAP, go to setting, and you can select here required square, T-con square, endpoint, midpoint, center, node, quadrant, intersection, extension, perpendicular, tangent, etc. You can manage your all entities from here. Select all, clear all, just OK. Now you can zoom in, zoom out of your drawing by rolling scroll from your mouse. Okay, so suppose I want to measure the distance of this line, then just you have to press step on, take dimensions linear and click at the one end of the line. Here green square represents the end point of the line. Just press here and specify second extension line origin. So press at the second end and you have to just move upside, and this is dimension line which represents the dimensions of the line. Scroll in, scroll out for zoom in, zoom out of the drawing. If you want to delete this drawing, then for that you have to first select. So the option for select is just press on that line. So there are blue square which is selected area, and just press delete, or other way select, right click or erase. Now the selection procedure can be done by using drag windows from left to right by pressing left key of your mouse and just press. It is a full selection. Escape. You have to take full windows around your drawing and press for selection. Another selection by using right to left window, but it is a partial window to select all the drawing which are inside our window. Delete this by select and press. If you want to draw a 100 long line, then press line command, select any point, enter 100 at command area and just press and escape. So this line is of 100 long. Check from dimensions, linear dimensions, one end of the line, another end, and you have to move upside or lower side. This is 100. So this is about line command. Now second, construction line. Construction line. If you move the pointer at icon, you will get the instruction how to use that command here. So construction line, press one, another, another, one, two. Your construction line, there is no end of this line. Okay, so you can manage your drawing in these four quadrants to remove, select and delete. Now next, our command is polyline. You can take this command from draw menu as well as by typing p line. There are three options. Now what is the application of p line? P line is a continuous line. Trace here, another trace. Your line is continuously without lifting your command. Just S. So with using p line, there are a number of lines, but if you select or press one line, all lines will be selected. So this is one object. But when you use line command, 1, 2, 3, 4, then if you select any line, then one line is only selected. But when you use P line, then the whole line will be selected. Now select. Now next command is polyline. By using this command, you can draw number of polygons. So press polygon. So here polygon, enter number of sides. Here 4 is default, but I want pentagon, so type 5 and enter. Now specify the center of the polygon. So click on the work area. Now enter option inscribed in a circle or circumscribed about a circle. Suppose I want inscribed, so press type I and press enter. So here specify the radius of circle. So type 50 and enter. So this pentagon is in the circle of radius 50. If I want to draw hexagon, then press polygon command, type 6, enter, specify center. Suppose if I press C and enter, just press 50 radius and enter. So now this hexagon. Now what is rectangle command? Press rectangle. Now specify first corner point, specify other corner. This is our rectangle. But if you want to draw a rectangle of particular area, particular dimensions, then click command, select first point. Now here I want to draw a rectangle of 100 by 50. Then here you have to insert or type D, enter, and specify length of the rectangle, suppose 100 then enter, specify width 50 type, and enter. This rectangle is of 100 by 50. Check from dimensions, 100 and 50. Next is circle command. So if you press draw menu and circle, so there are a number of options for drawing circles. Pick center and radius, center and diameter, circle passing from 2 points, circle passing from 3 points, circle passing from 2 tangent and 1 radius, and rectangle. Suppose first draw circle by center and select center and radius. Then in command box you can see circle specify center of the circle. So if you press or click to select the center, drag your mouse right side or bottom side to increase the radius. Now you have to specify the radius. Suppose my radius is 50 mm. Type 50 and enter. So this is a circle of 50 mm radius. Check from dimension radius. Just click periphery of the circle and you can check the radius 50 mm. Suppose I have one rectangle and I want to draw a circle which is passing from 2 points of the circle. Draw circle, select 2 points. Okay. Now we have to select 2 points from which we want to draw the circle. Select first, select second. If you want to use 3 points, select circle command in which press 3 points, and in this time you have to select 3 points 1, 2 and 3. Now our next command, arc command. So you can select from draw menu arc. Arc is also, there are a number of options. Arc passing from 3 points, starting, center and end, start, center, angle, start, center, length, and more options are there. Suppose I select start, center, and end. So this point is starting, the center, and you can also give the angle by typing A, enter, an angle suppose 45 degree. So this is the arc of 45 degree, and this is a revision cloud. Press, just drag your mouse by clicking, then draw the clouds. Our next command is spline. Press, click here. You can remove this ortho off. You can remove ortho mode by pressing. Now one by one you can click to draw the spline line. Right click, enter to left the command. You can change the position by selecting it and select any point and drag wherever you want. By escaping, remove the commands. Then ellipse, press here, specify axis and points, ortho on 1 and 2. This is one axis. Now set second axis by moving mouse. You can also give the dimensions of that major axis and minor axis. Ellipse arc, press here, specify the end point 1, 2 and distance to axis. So you can draw the segment of the ellipse by using this command. This is point. Press point command and just click where you want to. These are the points where you want to insert a point. You can also use coordinate system by pressing just, you know, 10, comma 30 to insert a particular point at particular dimensions in the coordinate system. This is a H command which is used to insert the section line in the sectional view. Before that, I need one rectangle or any closed figure. Now select H command. Now in this window, if you press here, you will get number of designs or sections pattern. Now select one of them. Suppose I select this one. Okay. Then you have to add pick point. Press and pick point. Press inside our rectangle and then press enter and press OK. So you will get a pattern in this. Suppose I want another pattern. Just draw rectangle, press H, select any pattern. OK. Add pick and place inside the rectangle and enter. Just OK. And you can see here the pattern is filled inside the rectangle. Next command is similar as H is gradient. Press here. Now select the pattern. Add pick point. Press inside the rectangle. Enter. And press OK. Select pattern. Add pick point. Press inside a rectangle and enter. Press OK. Now our next command is table. If you want to insert a table inside your work area, you just press on table icon. Okay. Now insert the number of rows and number of columns. Suppose I want 20 columns and 10 rows, and the distance between two column and two width is say 5 and 5. Press OK. Drag, scroll to zoom in, zoom out of this table and put your table wherever it required. Just press it. This is our table. If you want to insert something inside a table, then just double click on the cell, type just OK. Double click. If you change the text height from here, bold, change the color. This is the application of table inside your work area. Now multi-text trace left and right to add one window. AutoCAD 2011. Just select it and change the height, font here, bold, italic, and change the color. Just proceed. So the use of this command is to insert any text in your domain. Some important part, suppose this is my circle, if you want to change the color or line, select it, change the thickness of the line from here, other, load, select any dashed line, chain line, okay, then changing your color of the line by pressing here. So these are the basic draw commands. You can practice it yourself to learn more about these commands. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Now, in next lecture, we will discuss about how to use modified 2D commands for drawing in AutoCAD software. Thank you.